So, hi guys. I'm going to show you my dogs today, and they're adorable, laying down, cute. And first, I don't want to see bad things that other YouTubers seen, like on their first video or second video. I want to make a difference in the world because I have had a bad life so far, and I do hate myself like other people. Other people take me for granted and say mean things, and I want to change that. I want to make it half as bad. I don't know. I just want to help it to stop in schools and downright in the world. I've dealt with my family doing that. I dealt with school. I dealt with everything. Okay, so first dog is Tucker. He is shy because he doesn't want to show his face. Okay. The next one is Spike. And yeah, so those are my dogs. Bye.